How do I save money?
Saving money with Good Driver Mutuality, GDM, operates a bit differently than simply comparing our quote to another provider. We utilize a unique savings mechanism that allows our members to save over the entire 6-month duration of their plan. While our initial collision and comprehensive alternative quote may be similar to those from traditional insurance companies, our savings model is based on members only paying for actual accidental costs incurred by the community.
When you join, you pay a one-time 20% service fee, and the remainder of your quote is allocated solely to cover actual accident costs within the community. On average, members typically share about 30 to 40% of their quote amount to help cover the accidental costs of others. This means that by the end of the 6-month period, members who haven't had any accidents have the potential to save up to 40% of their initial quote amount as savings.
GDM leverages statistics to benefit our members. In traditional insurance, only 6% of people file collision and comprehensive claims, meaning 94% of people do not have any claims at all. In traditional insurance, whether you've had an accident or not, you know you'll pay for your entire quote amount. With our approach, members only contribute when there are actual accidental costs to share, allowing them to save significantly through our unique savings mechanism.